Hi, in today's video we want to see how to open LibreOffice files. For example, we have these 3 files on desktop. One way and the easy way is by clicking on them, but if by default the files are opening with, for example, another app, for example, let's suppose our computer open this file with another app, we can right click like I show you, open with, and the same thing is available also on Windows and Linux. So open with another application, click on LibreOffice, set as default, and OK. And now our file is opening with just a click. So I click on the file and it's opening. Let's talk about more ways of opening a file. Now, because I opened the file A and B before, I have them in recent documents here. For example, if I work very often with a file, I work with it, I close it, I open another document, close it, again I need A, I have here, and it's very easy to open. Another way is to click here, open file, and choose the file we want, for example C. Or we can go to the file, open menu. So we have different kinds of way of opening a file. The same if we are inside the document, we have file, open, the same option to choose the file. We have this icon. Or if we already open a certain file, we can find it here. In this drop down, we can choose very quick. I use very often A. I open that file. Okay, so it's very easy. Another way is with Ctrl O. So the same menu to open. You can see the shortcut here, Ctrl O, to open an existing file. One mention, for example, if I remove this C file from my system, so the file does not exist on my system, it's gone. We have an option here, because if I click on C, this file does not exist. So in order to not see files that does not exist anymore, you can click here, clear unavailable files. So now the C file is gone from this preview, and we can open the files that are available in our network, computer, and so on. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.